you are just a fraction of yourself, and I am just a fraction of myself. You see, it's like that meme, my last one, two brain cells during the math exam, and then there's somebody doing something silly. It's because our soul, when our soul goes to this physical plane, you see, it goes through a prism, not prison, prism. Where it just gets into many little shards. It divides, yeah, but not in a bad way. It just, splits into many pieces. Not to be like separate from itself or in a bad way where it's damaged, not like that, but all calculated to somehow be inverted. It somehow gets inverted and separated, but it's still connected. And then there's like one little shard of the soul goes to the one parallel universe, and another shard of the soul goes into another parallel universe, and there's millions and billions of them. And parallel universes are none of our business, but everybody is just a little shard of that soul. We're almost not real. It's like the atoms. Atoms are 99.9% empty space. So is us. We are like a prototype of our soul. We are infinite and eternal and whole in and of ourselves, just like our soul is infinite and eternal and whole. But we're a really small prototype where we have that 0.001% of being, which is our soul fragment, and the rest is just prototype, getting filled up, getting completed to be a prototype, just empty space getting filled up by that little shard that is our soul, and somehow the shards just do that. It's magic. This physical plane is magic, that it just takes this one little small part of our soul and then makes a whole being out of us. But like, we're almost not real. We're almost an illusion like atoms. And yeah, I guess we are illusions like atoms. You could say I'm an illusion, you're an illusion, we're all illusions, and this is a dream. They do say that. It's true. Technically we're not. Like, there's a little small piece that is real, that is true. Same with atoms. It's not just an illusion. There's something to it that makes it the physical reality exist. And it's interesting, because just like atoms are almost not real, so is our consciousness almost not real, but it is real. And yeah, and when I meditate, I just sometimes feel, just 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 my little being here calling out to the whole. Just, oh my gosh, I'm a little one brain cell. I'm just a little brain cell. I'm just a single brain cell here. It's like, wow, that's crazy. That's crazy, but that's how it is.